Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau, Konrad ke Sangma, Kular bagi Sorkar kan Eksamin Shwa ya ke Jingdawa jong Nonghikai Skul Adhoc ki badang penolong ya ke jing ya ki isyong ke lain mengor hapo ke syatri jong ka Federation of Adhoc School Teachers of Meghalaya mentala palat kendai sengi bandawa ya ke Sorkar bahkan kentiu kerdan ya ke Skul Adhoc syaga deficit system. Hagajing ekran bat gilar pathai kubor haga laipau tarik unai lor arajar arpusan. Menteri Rangba ula ongru baka Sorkar kan haban bisyar meniak ben pabin ya ke Jingdawa jong Nonghikai Skul Adhoc. Namar lada ka Sorkar ka menjur ya ke Jingdawa. Kin sami ru saki wei ki kenhun jong Nonghikai ban pensngau ya ke Jingdawa hakamat ka Sorkar.
We have concerns and they're of course asking for an enhancement. So it's not that they're not getting salaries on time. I mean, there's sometimes delay a few months or so, but they're getting the salaries on time. Their issue is different. Their issue is not about non-payment of salary. Their issue is they want an enhancement on the salary package. Government is examining all these aspects because these are all connected. Once we agree to enhancement in, say, one particular group of teachers, say the SSA, then of course we have the ad hoc school teachers, and we have the other groups that are there. And so we have to look at all the other aspects and then take a decision. So therefore it is complicated because it has got larger ramifications throughout, and we have to see concerns. Obviously everybody has concerns and everybody's concerns are genuine. I don't deny that, but we also have to see the limitations that we have and see how we can take things forward. But I would like to categorically mention that the statement made by you is not correct, that it's no question of bailing out anybody. In teachers, the salaries are being paid on time. They are asking for enhancement. Whereas district council, they are not able to pay the salaries on time. Garo is district council. And that is why there is a different case scenario.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.